In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the date hierarchy in Power BI. Open your Power BI desktop app on your computer, then open the report you want to fix. If your visuals show a default date hierarchy that doesn't behave the way you want, we'll replace it with a proper reusable one that you control. First, we're going to turn off Power BI's automatic date tables. Go to File, Options and Settings, then Options. Under Current File, select Data Load and uncheck Auto Date Time. Click OK. You'll notice your existing auto-generated hierarchies disappear from the fields pane. Don't panic, that's expected. Those were temporary hidden tables. We're about to build a cleaner, more reliable solution that works across all visuals and measures. Next, create a dedicated date table. On the modeling ribbon, choose New Table. In the formula bar, enter a table that uses Calendar Auto to detect your date range and then adds friendly columns for reporting. It will look like date table equals AD columns of Calendar Auto, then add year as year of date, quarter as the letter Q concatenated with format of date using Q, month name as format of date using month number as month of date, and day as day of date. Press enter. This gives you a single dynamic calendar that covers all dates found in your model and includes the exact fields you want to slice by. Now mark this as the official date table. In the fields pane, right-click your new date table, choose Mark as Date Table, then Mark as Date Table again. In the drop-down, select the date column and click OK. This tells Power BI that this table is your authoritative calendar, the one that Time Intelligence and Visuals should respect. Finally, recreate the hierarchy manually so you can drill down again the way you prefer. Switch to Model View or Data View, right-click the year column in your date table and select Create Hierarchy. Rename it to something clear, like Date Hierarchy, then drag quarter, month name, and day onto that hierarchy in that order below year. Now, when you use this hierarchy in Visuals, you'll get a clean drill path from year to quarter to month to day without the clutter or inconsistencies of the auto-generated version. That's it. You've turned off auto date time, built a robust date table, marked it correctly, and rebuilt a clear hierarchy for your visuals. Thanks for watching.